If you want to connect your Arzopa portable monitor to your iPhone, the setup depends on which iPhone model you have. First, check your phone's port. If you're using an iPhone 15 or newer with USB-C, you can connect directly using a USB-C to USB-C cable that supports video output. Just plug one end into your iPhone and the other into the monitor. If you have an older iPhone with a Lightning port, such as an iPhone 14 or earlier, you'll need a Lightning digital AV adapter. Connect the adapter to your phone, then run an HDMI cable from the adapter to the monitor's HDMI port. If the screen stays black, power the monitor separately, using its USB-C power cable and a wall charger. Many portable monitors don't receive enough power directly from a phone. Then press the monitor's menu or input button and manually select USB-C or HDMI, depending on your connection type. Finally, unlock your iPhone. The display won't mirror while the phone is locked, and orientation follows your phone's rotation.